Welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you the data table that I created recently. This is not a full tutorial. I can add a full tutorial if there is any need. Let me know in the comment section below. But as of now, I will just show you the data table that I quickly created, and I will share the code in the description via the GitHub, so you can use the code if you want to. Feel free to like the video if you are using this code. But I recently saw this UI for the data table, in which you can see the UI is pretty cool. We have all different tab. I think if you click on particular tab, it changes the status and then refetches the data. We have bunch of cool animation and hover effects. So whenever I hover, I can see this um, external link. When I hover over this, I can see it via the tooltip. Same for this one. I have multiple button here, as well as this search component. I have a um, kind of uh, drop down for the filters and everything. So I have tried to replicate it as much as I can with short span of time. So this is the component that this is the final design that I created. I use Next.js and Shadcn for implementing this. So you can see we have this search bar, we have this. As of now, I haven't added the fully filtering capability on this one, but yeah, this is how it shows. And I can see all my tabs here. I can go to a particular tab. As of now, it does not do anything because I haven't connected the data, but basically I can just go into multiple tabs. I have created and tried to replicate the overall UI as much as possible, as much cleanly as possible. So basically, if you hover over a particular PM, I can see the detail of the PM. I can view the note here, and I also have this. I haven't added the new project as of now, but the pagination and everything is working. So I have this. I can increase the pagination. I can increase it up to 50. I can make it 10. Go to a next pagination and everything. I'm using React table for implementation of this one. If I quickly go through the code is pretty much straightforward. I have a page uh, in which I have a data table and the table header. Table header is this table header, but the data table is where all the tables thing is. I also have a columns which define what are the different columns that I have, and I have a data.tsx file which only contains the interface for the data and as well as the actual data. So there are like 50 data that I pre-populated here. And if I go here, I use the React table or Tanstack table, and I have implemented my own CSS in some places where I needed. I implemented default footer and everything. I also implemented table header. I tried to use Shadcn table header as much as basis as possible. I implemented the cell individually every places where it is needed. So this was a fun little project that I did, and I just wanted to show and share in the internet so that if someone want to use it, um, you can definitely use it via my GitHub. I will make it public. Let me know if you need any detailed video on any of the component that I created from this one. If any code is confusing, I have tried to make the code as simpler as possible, but yeah, let me know if there is something. Like, if you see, this also is pretty cool, in which if I hover over a particular resources, I can see all the assigned resources for that one. And simple thing like this. So basically, I customize few of the Shadcn component. So by default, Shadcn does not have this minus icon for the intermediate checkbox, but I customize this. So yeah, I have uploaded this code on my GitHub repo. Feel free to use it and let me know if we need a further tutorials on connecting this to the backend, I think that would be a good tutorial in which, because I have also implemented the sorting, so I can just sort by ascending, descending, remove the sorting, and same for this one, ascending, descending, remove the sorting, and same for estimate, ascending, descending, and remove the sorting. So this is a good project that you can get started if you are getting confused on Shadcn or anything. Yes, otherwise, yeah, that's it. Thank you.